Today is 90 degrees here. If you had a load of ice cream on there, we got to make sure it stays at minus 20. So with the Wabash trailer, it's pretty easy for us to manage that.
At Leonard's Express, we are on the cutting edge, the forefront of the technology and what's new in the industry and what's coming down the road.
We pride ourselves on running, top of the line equipment, new equipment, and equipment that's holding temperature reliably.
Moving refrigerated goods poses many challenges. Not everybody can do it.
We cover 48 states, different times of year, different commodities, and most of what we haul is fresh. Thermal efficiency is very important to us because trailers need to be able to hold the temperature within 1/10 of a degree, and we've invested in, in the technologies to be able to track that.
Our company is always looking to do something innovative that's better for us. It's going to make us better for our customers.
Wabash is not satisfied with the status quo, and neither are we.
They came to us with this product to see if we wanted to test it.
Being part of the pilot program helped us make the decision to purchase the trailers going forward.
Having the most efficient refrigerated trailer certainly benefits us as a company. We're looking at different ways we can lower our carbon footprint, operate as a good corporate citizen. Lowering fuel usage and reducing emissions is a big part of that.
So the thermal efficiencies of the trailer are very important to us.
The Wabash Composite Reefer takes a lot of the variants that we used to deal with in the old style trailers, out. It eliminates the wicking of the cold air from the outside in or the hot air from the outside in, and allows the reefer unit to run more efficiently and hold the temperature better.
It'll stay cool even with the sun blasting right on it. There's lots of positives with this product. Our uptime is much better on them. Thermal efficiency is better. Our fuel cost is less. It's pretty bulletproof. It's easy to fix, easy to maintain. The flat bottoms, we don't have the corrosion that we had. There's no place for snow, salt to catch. You could gain 500-600 pounds. This flat bottom on this trailer eliminates that problem.
Wabash is a great partner to us.
Very supportive. If we have a problem, I can get on the phone and I have an answer within minutes. Time is money. Downtime is way less just because of their support. We're pretty proud of our fleet and the way things look.
It takes reliability in our equipment.
We've got 100 plus of them now with more on order, so they've done very, very well for us.